volt. 61 hook. So that's the way it's going. And brand new generator was like 3 to 4 years old, and he never really ran it, so yeah, it's running. Alright, I shut that off. And this is, I think, the problem. I don't think this is giving enough gas. This valve was leaking earlier. So, and as you can see, I had it fully shut off, and it's not running the carburetor out of gas to dry it out. So I have to try and get another one of those. But I have to get gaskets and maybe a carburetor rebuild kit, and then hopefully it'll run pretty well, and I'll do a better test. So this is my new old generator. And it has dual gas, so it does take propane. I do have the hose for it, so I haven't tested it on propane yet, but my real test will be if I can run my arc welder off of it. So we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.